In this brief tutorial, you will be guided through the process of logging out of your WhatsApp account. Logging out can be beneficial for safeguarding your privacy or when using a device that belongs to someone else. To begin, launch the WhatsApp application and tap on the three dots located at the top right corner. Subsequently, tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the Account option. But as you can see, there is not option to log out from your account. Alternatively, I will show you workaround how to do it. Just go back in the home screen. Then tap and hold the WhatsApp icon. Then tap on Information option. Then go to Storage and clear the data. This way you will be logged out from your account. Upon completion of these steps, your WhatsApp account will be successfully logged out from the device. It is important to note that logging out does not delete your account. It merely disconnects it from the current device.